Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Qbittorrent is updated and your OS has no pending network blockers. First, pause all torrents so you don't confound results, then restart Qbittorrent to clear transient errors. Next, test connectivity with one healthy torrent to isolate client vs network issues. While you do this, inspect firewall and router settings. If ports are blocked or NAT is strict, torrents stall. Once done, you'll have a clear baseline for deeper fixes. Now modify Qbittorrent internals to resolve stalls. Reduce max connections and peers per torrent to prevent overload, and set sensible upload/download limits so your network doesn't saturate. Enable DHT and peer exchange to increase peer discovery. Ensure the listen port is open or switch to a high ephemeral port like 49,152, 65,535. Tune disk cache and queuing. Finish by validating external factors. Try a VPN or alternate network to rule out ISP throttling, then force re-announce and recheck tracker status for the stalled torrent. If peers are available, resume and watch transfer activity. If not, back up and clear resume data, then re-add the torrent file or magnet to rebuild peer lists. Make sure to export settings first if you reset Qbittorrent to defaults. Troubleshooting tip: if stalls persist, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to confirm they aren't blocking peer connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.